Okay, now we will see laws of logarithms or properties of logarithms. So already we have seen how to write an exponent in logarithmic form. If 2 square is equal to 4, the number which is in the power will become LHS or RHS, and now we will write logarithm. Shortcut of logarithm is log. We only write logarithm as log, log, and the base of the exponent will become base of this logarithm, and here 4. So in general, if a power x is equal to n is the exponential form, then the logarithmic form was x is equal to log n base a. So the base of the exponent will become base of the logarithm, and power or exponent will become the answer here. Okay, so if we raise a to x times, we get n. Okay, that is the meaning. So our first one, a power x is if a power x is equal to n, then what is the logarithmic form? X is equal to log n base a. So this is the first one we should remember very well in logarithms. Right. Now in the properties we will see these properties. So you know 2 power 1 is equal to 2, 3 power 1 is equal to 3, 4 power 1 is equal to 4. Right. So now if a power x is equal to n, what is the logarithmic form? X is equal to log n base a. So here which is in the base will become base of the logarithm, and which is in the base will become LHS or RHS. We can write like this also, no? Log n base a is equal to x. Okay, so basing on this, how can we write this? 2 power 1 is equal to 2. 2 power 1 is equal to 2. So then 1 is equal to log 2 base 2. Base of the number is 2. Similarly, 3 power 1 is equal to 3. So then 1 is equal to log 3 base 3. Right? So 4 power 1 is equal to 4. So you can write 1 is equal to log 4 base 4. So if you observe these three, if base and the number here is the same, the value will become in 1. Log 3 base 3, 1. Log 4 base 4, 1. So if we generalize, we can write log a to the base a is 1. So that is our first one. Log a base a is equal to 1. So what is the value of log 10 base 10? 1. What is the value of log 100 base 100? 1. If what is the value of log 5 base 5? 1. The base and the number in the logarithm is same, then the value is 1. So what is our first one? If log log a base a is equal to 1. Okay. Now we will see the second one. So you know very well the power of any number is 0. That value is 1. In exponents already we have learned this. So 3 power 0 is 1. 4 power 0 is 1. Right? So what is the logarithmic form now? 0 is equal to log 1 base 2. Right? If a power x is equal to the n, then logarithmic form is x is equal to log n base a. Please don't get confused. The one which is in the base will become base, and the number main value will become logarithmic value, and the one which is in the power will become value of that logarithm. Right? So similarly, 3 power 0 is equal to 1. How can we write? 0 is equal to log 1 base 3. right? So 4 power 0 is equal to 1. Logarithmic form, 0 is equal to log 1 base 4. So if you observe these three, so if 1 is there as main value in the logarithm, whatever may be the base, whether it is 4 or 3 or 2, the value will becoming 0, right? So we can write log 1 base a is 0. What we can write? Log 1 base a is 0. So what is log 1 value? 0. What is log 1 base 7? 0. What is log 1 base 5? 0. So whatever may be the base, irrespective of the value of base, if there is 1 in the logarithm, that will become 0, right? Next we will see exponential form. Log n base a is equal to x means what is the exponential form? A power x is equal to n. Similarly here a power x is equal to 0. So this meaning is for what value of x the a power x value becomes 0, right? For what value of 10 power x 10 power x will become 0. For what value of x in 10 power x it will become 0? There is no such value, right? 10 power 1 is 10, 10 square 100 and 10 cube. So there is no such value for x to become 10 power x is 0. So we can say log 0 base a is undefined. We cannot define that. So log 0 base a is undefined. Why? So there is no value existing for x to become 10 power x is equal to 0. Whether it is 10 power x or 2 power x, whatever it is, there is no such value, right? So log 0 is undefined. Log 0 is undefined. Next we will see what is 2 into 2? What is the value of 2 into 2? 4, right? What is the value of 2 into 3? 6, right? So here multiplication, or we can add also. 3 2's, if we add also you will get 6. So multiplication is nothing but the successive addition, right? Multiplication is nothing but successive addition, right? So just to remember this property, I am saying this multiplication, if multiplication is one side, then the other side addition will comes, okay? Or in other words we can say a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n, right? If multiplication occurs here, bases are equal means powers will be added. If multiplication is one side, we add other side, right? So similarly, if multiplication log a into b is equal to log a plus log b, multiplication is equal to successive addition. Just remember like that. I'm saying just for your understanding only, okay, to keep it in your mind. So many of the students will get confused. Log a into b means log a into log b, they write, no? So we cannot write like that. Multiplication is successive addition. So log a into b is equal to log a plus log b, right? Next one, log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. If division is there, then subtraction will come, okay? A power m by a power n, a power m minus n, already learned in already you learned in your exponents, right? So similarly here also, if division is there, then subtraction will comes. So log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. Log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Log 0 value undefined, log 1 value 0. Log a base a is equal to. Now we will see the sixth one, log x power m base a. Log x power m base a. If the number is in the power, it comes with multiplication with logarithmic term. So you can remember like this. Log x power m base a is equal to m log x base a. The number which is in the power comes under multiplication with this term, with the logarithmic term. And next one, we will see some example. 5 power log 25 base 5. Okay, to find this, first what is the power of 5 here? Log 25 base 5. Log 25 means we can write as log 5 square base 5. So basing on this log x power m base a, we can write this 2 log 5 base a. So what is log a base a? 1. So this value is 1. So the power value is 2. So 5 square is equal to 25. Right? So simply we can write 5 power log 25 base 5 is equal to 25. Right? So if we generalize this, a power log n base a is equal to n only. Okay, the base of the logarithm and the base of the exponent is same, then we get this n as answer. And the next one, here if we observe log 5 square base 5 means 2 only now. So similarly log b power k base b is equal to k. So these 8 properties or these 8 laws, okay, are very useful in solving the problems. First one is log a base a is equal to 1 and log 0 undefined, log 1 value 0 if it is in multiplication. Next another side, the terms will go in addition if there is division, and the second side subtraction will comes. Log x power m base a, the number which is in the power comes with multiplication with the logarithmic term, and a power log n base a, the base of the logarithm and the base of the exponent is same, n will become the answer. Log b power k base b is equal to k. Right? So I think you understand.